Today's post notification shout out goes out to Moniz underscore artsfits. Go and check her channel out. Subscribe, like, comment, tell her that Dekibu send you. Also go over a cup of tea's channel and subscribe. She's on her way to 100 subscribers. Help her get there. Do the same process. What's up guys, it's your girl Deki. As you can see by the title, I'm gonna try on press on nails for the first time. So these are from Nail Art Trendsetters. You know, wait. Let's do this. Well, I like this, because when I open the pack, it comes with these, and I stick for like push back the cuticles and so forth. Yeah, it has 24 in the pack. Yeah. So just stay tuned to the end of this video. Like, comment, and subscribe, and don't forget to turn on that post notification bell. And yeah, if you're the first to comment under this video, you will get a post notification shout out by me in my next video. So first I will start by clipping my nails. I'm going to clean them with water and soap. Let this stay in it for a while. Next, time to buff. It's giving me a warm time to pull. This is it. Soft, hard. This. Gonna put it back in it. This one as well. So I'm going to throw this away. Then I'm going to cleanse my nails with some alcohol. Then I'm going to put on the cuticle oil, let it stay for a while, and then get to my nails. Because remember that when you're doing your nails, you have to make sure that it's cleansed. You can't put a nail on dirty nail because your nail will be rotten. I must apologize for the noise in the background. I'm not home alone, and it's hours in the night. Yeah, so alcohol oil now. So I just use a cotton swab. Oh, I cut my nail. Burn. So wipe it off. So nice. Put the cuticle oil on. Here's my cuticle oil. My cuticle softener is finished, so I just gotta use what I got. And Gonna let it stay on my fingers for a bit. Because I'm doing my own fingers, I gotta do one at a time. So okay, so I should use like a tissue or a rag or something and just wipe off my hands. So I'm going for a napkin. Alright, finger ready. Look. Let's get started. Alright, where did okay. Oh yeah, now I gotta push back my cuticles with this cuticle buffer. Pusher, I mean. Alright, so my fingers are ready for the nails. Oh, it's hot. I'm gonna take them out. This is the glue. I'm gonna use the glue that came with it. I think I gotta pull it first. Yeah. Oh my god. Finally. Now. Okay. Alright. With a finger. Why it's not open? Oop. Not too much. Oh my god. This look all smart, too bigger than my finger. So I'm gonna press it down. This is a disaster. I messed it up. See if this fits. Yep. It's out of commodity. What's that? Alright. I don't like the stringiness of this glue. Too big. Too big. Cha. No, come out in here, done. Done it done. Cheneke. Too much cup and this in a talk. I'm not gonna like try. Oh, yeah, that's working. Alright. Anyone who knows me knows that I'm not a fan of these and knows that this will come off within a day or two. So that was the end of my video. Tell me if you like my nails. Yes. Tell me if you would try these. And that's it. So see you in the next video. Bye.